If you ever been excited about finishing a quilt or any project, and then your body says, nope, and you feel discomfort, even nausea, so you put it off, but you don't really understand why, this video is for you. A year ago, I designed these quilts. Let me show you. Here I have this one, and also this one here. To celebrate a new baby coming, and also his sister. I planned it, I pieced it, I sewed it together. I was so intentional and excited. And then I hit a wall when it was time to finish. I postponed these quilts for 1 year. Not because I didn't care, not because I was lazy, and not because I was procrastinating. Every time that I got to a point where I had to measure and commit to its completion, my body would get uncomfortable, even nauseated. And here's what clicked. When a task has permanence, plus judgment, plus visibility, like cutting fabric or committing to a layout, the nervous system of those who have lived through tough times for such a long time can read these small little commitments like the stakes are high. So the body throws signals to shut us down. And that, my friend, isn't weakness. It's old survival algorithm doing its job. So I made a micro contrast. I put what I had on the design wall, I stepped back, and I decided the proportions and the arrangements with my eyes and not my brain. Just what looks right. And once I did that, the whole quilt moved. The nausea wasn't a stop sign. It was my body saying, this is new, Sabrina. We are expanding. As a result, these quilt tops got finished. And they have names. For this quilt, I named it Sail On Little Captain. And for this baby right here, Dream Big and High Little Explorer. And yes, these patterns are becoming available in my shop. As soon as it is live, you will find it in the description below. Oh, and it won't be just a pattern. I'm also including a follow-along video so you can make it with me. And because you asked me how to quilt a real lap quilt using a regular presser foot, I'm answering that. Same calm, same rhythm, beginner-friendly lines, because quilting is the emotional fitness practice. The video is gonna be right here when it's ready.